we are looking at something pretty, everybody, and I'm going to take you downward to this purple flower. Now, there are many of these hanging around the plains at the moment, and yesterday, you'll recall, we looked at the South African foxglove, which, for all intents and purposes, looks much like this, although just white in color. This, a gorgeous mauve with these pink stripes and a little bit of white. Now, this is a devil's thorn, or Susanum senesioides, and it's common in these disturbed areas. And where, by disturbed, I mean places where there's a lot of grazing activity, where it's perhaps overgrazed to a certain extent, but it can prove rather challenging because it does have these thorns on its seed pods. This one doesn't have seed pods, so now it's perfectly fine to trod on and step on. But when this turns obviously into a seed pod, it becomes a problem. But how stunning is this? Peter, does the shampoo you can make from it smell nice? It's actually pretty much unscented. So Peter raises a valid point. One can take the leaves of this devil's thorn, and it's probably a trick that many a ranger has showed you at many a beverage stop, and a bunch of these leaves plucked off, rubbed with a bit of water in one's hand, creates this soapy mixture. And I suppose a small quantity of this would suffice for the bald head of somebody like myself, but if somebody had gorgeous, long, luscious locks, you would need a good sum of these leaves to make sufficient amounts to adequately clean your hair. But a stunning flower nonetheless. But whilst we continue looking for some smaller things, we are going to see